and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. The resurgence of Bitcoin to the $63,000 mark has revitalized expectations for the altcoin market's recovery. The reaction follows a series of impactful events in the cryptocurrency sector, including the US Securities and Exchange Commission's recent activities involving the trading platform Robinhood and strong exchange-traded fund performances earlier in the month. Alternative cryptocurrencies with positive news flows are shining bright as the Bitcoin rebound spurs renewed risk-taking in the crypto market. In the past 24 hours, the native cryptocurrency of the Layer project, the Open Network, has risen 17.5%, and decentralized GPU-based rendering solution Render Networks RNDR token has gained 13% according to data source CoinGecko. Both are among the best performing coins of the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, the market leader, has rallied 6% to $63,000. Ether was hovering around $3,000 with barely any change in the last 24 hours. Solana led the gains among the altcoins, climbing over 9% to $154, while Doge is up just over 4.5% at $0.15, testament to the meme coin season in crypto markets. The global crypto market cap is $2.29 trillion, a 0.7% increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $62.75 billion, which makes a 0.74% decrease. The total volume DeFi is currently $6.06 billion, 9.6% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $58.05 billion, which is 92.5% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 53.23%, an increase of 0.04% over the day. KuCoin and Binance, two major cryptocurrency exchanges, have been registered with India's Financial Intelligence Unit despite previous bans. Last December, these platforms were among 9 financial entities prohibited from operating in the country. This registration is crucial as they are the first offshore crypto-related entities to be recognized by the Finance Ministry. KuCoin has recommenced operations after settling a $41,000 fine. On the other hand, Binance awaits the finalization of its penalty after paying a $2 million fine pending a decision from FIU-IND's hearings. Vivek Agarwal, head of FIU-IND, indicated that Binance's compliance process still needs to be completed as the hearing to determine its fine is ongoing. The crackdown last year also affected other platforms including Hobby, Kraken and Bitfinex, while Kraken, Gemini and Gate.io have initiated negotiations with the regulator. The US spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded significant net outflows as Grayscale's GBTC ETF outpaces the inflows by its rivals. The net outflow for the day amounted to $11.3 million. Meanwhile, Grayscale accounted for over $40 million negative flows as it sold 700 BTC. According to Farside UK data, Grayscale's GBTC resumed its trend as the sole ETF facing negative flows, witnessing a total of $43.4 million outflows. Despite the outflows, GBTC remains a prominent player in the market as it broke its outflows trend last Friday with over $60 million influx. On the flip side, BlackRock's IBIT ETF witnessed a resurgence in inflows. The IBIT Bitcoin ETF saw a notable influx of $14.2 million, indicating investor confidence in this particular ETF. Furthermore, Fidelity's Wise Bitcoin ETF also experienced a positive movement with a $2.7 million inflow. Despite the negative flows in the Bitcoin ETF arena, the BTC price rebounded past $63,000 today. Jack Dorsey, co-founder of Twitter and staunch advocate of Bitcoin, reaffirmed his bullish stance on the cryptocurrency during an interview with Pirate Wires. Dorsey shared his prediction regarding Bitcoin's future, foreseeing its worth exceeding $1 billion by 2030. This ambitious statement extends beyond mere price speculation as Dorsey expresses his fascination with the dynamic ecosystem driving Bitcoin's expansion. Jack Dorsey's company Block reflects his optimism through smart financial decisions. On May 2nd, the company announced its adoption of a strategy called dollar cost averaging for monthly Bitcoin purchases. Deutsche Bank released a controversial research report analyzing the stability of currency pegs since 1800 and applying these insights to modern stablecoins. The report, which touched on the survival rates and operational transparency of these digital assets, specifically cast doubt on the stability and solvency of Tether. The report underscored the vulnerability of these digital assets to speculative pressures and a general lack of transparency in their operations. Tether swiftly responded to the report, criticizing it for its lack of clarity and substantial evidence. Stablecoin provider defended its operations, stating that the report relied on vague assertions without backing them up with solid data. Tether stressed its commitment to transparency and regulatory compliance, questioning the validity of Deutsche Bank's prediction on stablecoin declines. The financial regulators in South Korea are seeking to incorporate protocols for terminating the trading of currently listed cryptocurrencies. The upcoming Best Practices for Compliance with the Virtual Asset User Protection Act will mark the delisting of several cryptocurrencies. The regulators said this crypto regulation will be out in early June. Additionally, the regulations will incorporate directives on the decision-making process regarding the continuation of trading for already listed virtual assets. Moreover, they emphasize that the aim is to establish a framework for delisting specific virtual asset issuers in the event of any issues. Magic Eden has surged ahead of Blur as the premier NFT marketplace, marking a significant shift in digital asset exchanges. Despite Blur's former dominance in Ethereum-based NFTs, Magic Eden's April 2024 trading volume surpassed Blur's by $108 million, driven by its entry into Bitcoin ordinals and enticing rewards programs for traders and collectors. As per DappRadder's Dapp Industry Report for April 2024, most of Magic Eden's trading volume now comes from Bitcoin ordinals, showing how popular this new type of asset is in the NFT world. The report noted changes in the NFT market. In April, total trading volume fell by 13% to $1.35 billion, but sales went up by 20%. This is because Runestone, a Bitcoin ordinals inscription, is now more popular than Bored Ape Yacht Club, leading in trading volume. Bitcoin collections had a 32% increase in trading volume, hitting $675 million, making Bitcoin the blockchain with the highest trading volume, followed by Ethereum. BlockFi, a cryptocurrency leading platform which declared bankruptcy after the collapse of FTX in November 2022, is now in the final stages of winding down its operations. The company has announced plans to cease its web platform operations by May. To assist clients in assessing and withdrawing their funds, BlockFi has entered a partnership with Coinbase. According to a recent blog post, this collaboration will allow eligible BlockFi interest accounts, retail loans, and private clients to make withdrawals. After announcing its closure in 2023 and outlining plans to return customers' crypto holdings, BlockFi set a withdrawal request deadline for April 28, 2024. Following the expiration of this deadline, the company yesterday informed customers that they would receive guidance on setting up a Coinbase account to facilitate withdrawals. However, clients who fail to establish an approved Coinbase account may face liquidation of their asset into cash, with distribution managed accordingly. More people are trading NFTs on Solana lately, but the total sales volume is dropping. This is because the value of SOL, the cryptocurrency used on Solana, is going down steadily. While the reduced price of SOL has made minting and purchasing NFTs more accessible, it hasn't translated into increased overall spending. NFT Go reports a 29% decline in NFT sales volume during this period, totaling $488 million. This decline in trading activity has led to a significant plummet in NFT market capitalization, which now sits at $17.28 billion, marking a 15% decrease in the past 30 days. In response to what's been labeled a preordained and stage-managed electoral victory for Russian President Vladimir Putin, exiled opposition leader Mark Fagin has initiated an anonymous blockchain-powered referendum to gauge public sentiment. This referendum, which will be conducted through the Russian 2024 app built with Redimo's Freedom tool, seeks to provide Russians with a platform to express dissent against Putin's re-election. Utilizing the Arbitrum blockchain and zero-knowledge cryptography, the platform ensures voters' anonymity, which is crucial in a country where public criticism can have dire consequences. The initiative comes amidst legal challenges, with Russian authorities placing Fagin on this wanted list for allegedly violating wartime censorship laws by spreading fake news about Russia's invasion of Ukraine. That's all this bulletin for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information and stories log on to our website www.3tv.io or scan the QR code.